how to set your GoPro 9, 10, 11 or 12 to GoPro Connect for webcam mode. First, let's go back to your main screen. I'm going to press on the side button here. Now from your camera screen, swipe down at the top. Then we swipe across. Next, tap on Connections. Then we go down and tap on USB connection. In here, by default, it is set to MTP, so you want to choose GoPro Connect. Now it said here, use GoPro Connect for webcam mode, file transfer, and editing media when connected to your computer or phone. So if you want to use this as a webcam on your computer, make sure you set it to GoPro Connect. If it's not in GoPro Connect, you will get a black screen, or when you try to use it as a webcam, it will not work. And that's it. After that, you can swipe back to go back to your main camera screen. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.